Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another wig installation, but y'all, this time we're switching it up. As y'all can see, I do not have a braid down. My hair is literally silky straight, and y'all like, girl, how are you about to get this wig on your head? How are you about to do this? Because the girls would like to know. I would like to know myself, but I am working with a company by the name of Xrsbeauty, and they have this amazing undetectable lace. So I thought that this was the perfect opportunity to see how versatile this hair company really is. If your girl can manage to wrap her hair, put on her cap, and put on this wig like it ain't nothing and be able to head on out the door, then this definitely will be the perfect wig. Last Monday to be exact, today is Saturday, I got my hair pressed out and it's nice, sleek, flat. It lays down really well. So I'm going to say this first. I'm going to give this little disclaimer. If you have 4C hair texture or a lot of hair, like really long hair, really thick hair, full hair, whatever have you, make sure your hair is extremely sleek before attempting to do this method, especially if you have a small head like myself, because you don't want the wig to look too bulky. Otherwise, make sure you just stick to your standard braid down. Protect your hair if you want it to be long lasting. But for girls who may want to switch it up, take their wig off at night or whatever have you, then this will be the perfect option. So before we go ahead and get right into the video, I'm going to show y'all how this wig looks. Da, 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 da. Oh, okay. That didn't go as smooth. And also everything that comes in the box. I have my edge brush, y'all. I have a nice wide tooth comb. I have an extra band. Oh, this is perfect, y'all. You have an extra band if your head is a little bit larger, you can adjust. So this is perfect. I have a small head, so I'm pretty sure I don't need that. And then they gave me some flexi rollers, so thank you so much for that. And now we gotta see what this wig is looking like, y'all. Straight out of the packaging, we gotta see what this wig is looking like. Another thing, this is a curly texture. I already know what the wig looks like, but I'm gonna show you. Well, I don't know what it looks like fresh out the package, but I know what wig they sent. But yeah, so this is what it looks like fresh out of the package. And I'm gonna also give another disclaimer. If you have your natural hair and it's not in a protective style, i.e. braided down to your scalp, be very mindful of how you are maintaining the hair, because typically with curly hair you'll wet it and it's good to go, but if you have natural hair, it could get through the lace and penetrate to your scalp, and then of course cause frizziness. So just be mindful of that. But y'all, we're gonna see what this wig, y'all, we're gonna see what this wig looks like in its natural state, everything natural about it. And oh, y'all, so it's already tinted. I love that, because now I don't have to wet the wig in any way, shape, or form. And let me show you, hold on, y'all, let me show y'all, hold on, let me get this up for y'all. Let me show y'all who can see the lace. Let me take it back and let me come close. Hold on, y'all see my dang on head. Okay, now look at it. That's really good, y'all. Another thing is, it's already plucked, so the hairline is pre-plucked for you. So I absolutely love that. So literally all you would have to do is put the wig on and glue it. But you can glue it, you can wrap your hair, glue it. You could literally twist your hair down. If this is the end of your hairstyle, you can twist it down, lay it down however you see fit. If this is the beginning of you getting your hair pressed out and you really want to preserve the press, then of course you just want to be mindful and just stick to a standard wrap. So I have to go to church tomorrow, so your girl is going to wrap it to show you guys what it would look like if you just wrap it. And I have my nice little wig brush. Ooh, oh. And flat. I feel some my hair. You want to make sure all the hair, y'all, is underneath. Okay, finally, we good to go now. So the next step is the easy step. And mind you, y'all, this is just trial and error. Oh, it doesn't have a band on at all. So this is if you want to connect it to have a band. It does have these straps. Okay guys, I'm back. So now I'm gonna take my wig. Oh y'all, that is nice and snug. Put it right above my hairline. I'm going to attach it in the back with these clamps to secure it. Hold on, y'all. Y'all know I don't like getting the curls caught up in it. Secure it in there. Hold on. I'm gonna cut the lace and then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like literally as a glueless unit. And then if you want to take some Got2b and just spray it down above, like that's why I said make sure all your hair is tucked in. If you want to spray some Got2b, secure it and put your headband on, then you can do that because you can just pull it off at night. You already know. So let me go ahead, cut off this lace, and then I'll be right back to show y'all the final look. Okay guys, so we're back. Hold on, let me get the light back right. We're back and let me show y'all, as promised, this is a full glueless unit. Cannot see that lace at all. It's literally melted. Now like I said, I have my natural hair. This wig is gonna last me forever, so I literally can wet it and use it and wear it. This is just an option for those who may not have a braid down or may want to just put on a quick wig real quick and don't have any companies that have amazing clear lace that blends all the way in. I did not have to add anything, y'all. It's literally just, it's there. So what I'm gonna do, and don't worry about it lifting right now, I'm just trying to make sure I don't burn myself because I already have a burn from my last hairstyle, y'all. I'm just gonna flatten out, or not flatten out, but straighten out the roots to kind of tame it down. Hold on. Tame it down, y'all. Tame it down. Now all the way through. Now all the way through. You want to... And then you can, of course, add some oil sheen on top of this. This will be okay because this is a nice full wig. So it's not going to do much of anything. I just want to make sure y'all see the lace and how amazing. You can't even see the lace. Like, this is crazy. This is so crazy. Just pull this out. Kind of settle that part down because that's not on my roots. Let's see. I'll just leave it like that. Instead of like penetrating up there, y'all know what I'm doing. Y'all get it. Is this the first time I've done a wig with makeup on? I had a busy day, y'all. And you can part it anywhere. Let me show y'all. Part it again anywhere. Boom, like so. You can add like little plaits or whatever in the front. You can make whatever style you see fit, but most importantly, you just cannot see. Let me come close, y'all. Let me come close. You just can't see that lace. Hold on, y'all. I got a hair in my face and it's stressing me. There we go. This was the easiest wig I've ever put on in my entire life, and I love it. Like, I literally love it. I love the fact that I don't have to be so self-conscious about making sure the edges and all that stuff is laid. Like, I don't have to worry about any of that. All I had to do was wrap my hair, put on this wig, cut the lace, and I'm good to go. So if you would like to purchase this wig or try out any of the other amazing wigs on their website, everything will be listed in the description box below, as well as some coupon codes. So make sure you guys check them out. Y'all, I love them. I would love to work with them again to show you guys another versatile wig that's on their site. Maybe something with color, maybe something a little shorter, or just something that is a different texture so you all can continue to see just how bomb their clear lace clearly is. Anyways, y'all, I love y'all so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.